Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to cook another traditional Northeast Indian recipe, chicken with black lentils khar. If you are first time here, do show some love by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, do check out the links below. The ingredients required for this dish are chicken. I am using country chicken. You can use farm chicken too. Black lentils, ginger, khar. If you do not have khar, you can replace it with cooking soda. Just remember not to add it too much, else it will leave an unpleasant taste. Salt and green chilies. Now let's start cooking. First of all, soak the black lentils for 30 minutes, then rinse it thoroughly. Now put this in a pressure cooker with 2 cups of water and ginger. Pressure cook it up to 10 whistles and keep aside. Now take a pan, add the chicken, salt, khar and slit green chilies. Stir it well, cover and cook it on a medium flame for 20 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Once the water from the dish is dry, add the boiled black lentils. Stir it well. Cover and cook for 40 minutes, stirring in between. If you are cooking farm chicken, it will take about 20 minutes to get cooked. Ensure that the gravy does not get stuck at the bottom of your pan. Add water if required. My dish looks ready. Can't wait to try it. Here is the dish. A humble dish and undoubtedly comforting that goes well with steamed rice. The meat is tender and the gravy mushy. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe video and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.